Are you ready to supercharge your trading game, traders? Today, we are diving deep into the top 12 trading mistakes that could be costing you some serious cash. Trust me, whether you're just starting out or you've been around the block a few times, these pitfalls can sneak up on anyone. Like, have you ever jumped into a trade without doing your homework? Yeah, that can sting, but don't sweat it. We've got your back. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the know-how to protect your capital and really boost those profits. So buckle up, grab a snack, and let's get this show on the road. First up, we've got the cardinal sin of trading. You know what the biggest mistake in trading is? Not having a solid plan. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. Sounds wild, right? Well, that's exactly what you're doing when you dive into trading without a strategy. A solid trading plan isn't just a nice to have, it's a must. It should lay out your chosen method, like whether you're day trading or swing trading. Plus, your risk management rules. Think about it. How much are you willing to lose on a trade? And don't forget those clear entry and exit points. Without these, you're not really trading, you're just gambling. And trust me, the house always wins in that game. So take a moment to sketch out your trading blueprint before you jump in. You'll thank yourself later. Putting too much on one trade, that's a huge mistake. When you're feeling super confident, it's so tempting to just go all in, right? But trust me, that's a fast track to blowing up your account. Even seasoned pros stick to risking just 1-2% of their capital per trade. Why? Because losing streaks can hit anyone, even the best of us. Picture this. If you're risking 10% or more, just a couple of bad trades could totally wipe you out. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket and then tripping. Remember, trading isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Slow and steady really does win the race. So keep it cool and manage that risk. Moving on to mistake number 3, ignoring stop losses. Seriously, it's like driving without a seatbelt. You might feel invincible most of the time, but when things go south, oh boy, they can go really south. I have seen too many traders think they can outsmart the market by moving their stop loss further away, or even worse, ditching it altogether when a trade starts to go against them. But listen, hope is not a strategy, folks. A small loss can quickly snowball into a disaster that you just can't recover from. Trust me, it's not worth the risk. Always set a stop loss and stick to it, no matter how tempting it is to hang on for dear life. It's all about protecting your hard-earned cash. Overtrading is our 4th mistake. And let me tell you, it's a biggie. Just because you're making more trades doesn't mean you're raking in the profits. In fact, it can often backfire on you. Think about it. How many times have you jumped into a trade just because you were bored or felt the urge to chase every tiny market wiggle? The best traders out there, they're not making a million trades a week. They're picking just a few high-quality opportunities. It's all about being smart, not busy. Quality over quantity, right? So next time you feel that itch to trade, take a step back and ask yourself if it's really worth it. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Let's dive into emotions for a sec. Mistake number 5 is totally letting them control your trading decisions. Seriously, fear and greed can wreck your account faster than you can imagine. Have you ever found yourself revenge trading after a loss? Trying to get back at the market? Or maybe you've jumped into a trade late because of that pesky FOMO, fear of missing out? I mean, we've all been there, right? Those emotional reactions can absolutely destroy your account quicker than you can say bull market. So, what's the fix? Stick to your trading plan like glue and take breaks when your emotions start to bubble over. Trust me, stepping back can give you the clarity you need to make better decisions. It's all about keeping your cool. Mistake number 6 is a sneaky one, not keeping a trading journal. Seriously, if you're not tracking your trades, how can you expect to get better? Think about it. Having a solid journal is like having a roadmap for your trading journey. It helps you spot those patterns, both the wins and the losses. Are you consistently losing on certain setups? Maybe you keep diving into trades right before a big news release, or is there a time of day when you're absolutely on fire? Without that journal, it's like you're flying blind, and trust me, that's not a fun ride. So grab a notebook or use an app and start tracking your trades today. Your future self will definitely thank you for it. Changing strategies too often? That's mistake number 7, and it's a biggie. I totally get it. When things aren't going your way, it's super tempting to just jump ship and try something new. But here's the thing. If you keep switching gears, you'll never really get the hang of any strategy. It's like trying to learn 5 different sports at once. You'll just end up confused. Stick with one solid method for at least 3 to 6 months. Trust me, give it a real shot. Trading isn't a quick fix. It's a skill that needs time to grow. Think about it. Some of the best traders out there didn't find their groove overnight. They put in the hours, faced the ups and downs, and eventually saw the results. So hang in there, be patient, and let yourself learn. Mistake number 8 is a big in our social media-driven world. Blindly following news and tips from so-called gurus. Just because someone on YouTube shouts, "buy now," doesn't mean you should rush in without a second thought. Seriously, think about it. Always do your own homework before making any moves. By the time news hits the mainstream, it's usually already baked into the market. Like if a big company drops a major announcement, the stock price often jumps before you even hear about it. So take a step back, analyze the situation, and trust your instincts. It's your money after all. Mistake number 9 is not adapting to market conditions is a big mistake, right? Markets are like a roller coaster. What works in a bull market can totally crash and burn in a bear market. Take, for example, tech stocks. Hey, might soar when everyone's feeling optimistic, but in a downturn, they can plummet. It's super important to keep an eye on these shifts and tweak your strategy as needed. Flexibility isn't just a nice to have, it's essential for long-term success in trading. You got to be ready to pivot, whether that means diversifying your portfolio or switching up your trading style. Stay sharp and be willing to change course when the winds shift. Greed can really mess with your trading game, right? So let's dive into mistake number 10. Not cashing in on profits when you really should. We've all been there. You snag a trade that's up 5%, and instead of taking that sweet win, you hold out, dreaming of a 10% gain. But then, bam, the market flips on you, and suddenly you're staring at losses. Ouch. Don't let that happen to you. A smart move is to take partial profits and let the rest ride with a trailing stop. This way, you lock in some gains while still giving yourself a chance for more. Just remember, no one ever went broke taking profits. It's all about playing it smart and not letting greed cloud your judgment. How do you handle your profits? Mistake number 11 is something a lot of new traders fall into. Not spending enough time in front of the screen. Seriously, the more you dive into those charts and get a feel for price action, the sharper your trades will become. Think about it. Making chart analysis a daily habit, even when you're not actively trading, is like giving yourself a workout for your trading brain. Imagine you're checking out a stock that's been trending up. By analyzing its movements over a few days, you might spot patterns or trends that can totally influence your next move. This screen time isn't just a chore, it's an investment in your trading skills. Trust me, putting in that effort now will pay off big time with better trade decisions later on. So make it a routine and watch how your trading game levels up. Mistake number 12 is a very important, expecting overnight success. Seriously, trading isn't some magic ticket to instant wealth. It's more like a marathon than a sprint, you know? Most successful traders didn't just wake up one day and start raking in profits. They spent years learning the ropes, tweaking their strategies, and honing their skills. Think about it. Just like mastering a sport or an instrument, it takes time and practice. So be kind to yourself. Focus on the journey. Enjoy the learning process. And remember that real success comes with patience and persistence. It's all about those little wins along the way that add up. So there you have it, the top 12 trading mistakes to avoid. Seriously, which ones have you stumbled over? No need to sweat it. We've all been there at some point. The real deal is to learn from these slip-ups and keep pushing forward. Think about it. Every successful trader started as a newbie, right? It's all about patience and discipline. Take, for example, overtrading. It's super tempting to jump in on every opportunity, but that can really bite you back. Or how about ignoring your emotions? Trading can get intense, and letting fear or greed take the wheel is a total no-go. Remember, with continuous learning and a solid strategy, you can totally crush your trading goals. Keep at it, and you'll see progress before you know it. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. Avoid trading without a plan, risking too much per trade, and ignoring stop losses. Don't overtrade or let emotions control your decisions. Keep a trading journal. Stick to your strategy and do your own analysis. Adapt to market conditions, take profits when appropriate, and put in the screen time. And above all, be patient. Success in trading takes time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that ring bells for more trading insights. And please, drop a comment below to letting us know which mistake you've struggled with the most. We're all in this together, and sharing experiences helps everyone grow. And please don't forget to watch our next video about 12 secrets of legendary traders. Until next time, happy trading, and may the charts be ever in your favor.